Hello class 10. Today I am starting with one of the very important chapters of your ICSE, that is cell cycle, cell division and structure of chromosomes. It is there in your syllabus because we have seen that some modifications uh, has been introduced in the syllabus for this situation. So that is why your syllabus has been cut short for your upcoming board exams. So please go through the new syllabus which I have uploaded last day, and it is there in your syllabus. So I'm starting with this new chapter. Okay. Now the first thing which we need to know is what is cell division. Cell division means when the new cells are arising from the pre-existing cells. Now, the definition is very simple, but it is a very complicated process, and lots of steps are there, lots of phases are there. There are types which we need to know, and the first thing which we need to know is why do we need new cells to be produced? Because we need new cells, that is why cell division is so important. First, the first function you can say, or maybe first reason, is for growth. Every organism, be it plant or animal, begins its life as a single cell. We call it as zygote. The cell divides repeatedly to form a cluster of cells which start shaping for different functions to form tissues and organs. Thus, cell division is essential for growth. Next, for replacement, like if any part of our body has been injured, then that part, that worn out cell, need to be replaced. Okay, and this replacement is very important, which is being done by the help of cell division. Next is repair. Repair is also almost the same thing. Wear and tear of the tissues goes on inside our body, especially after injuries. So repair of such injuries is again through cells which divide, cover up the gaps and join the broken ends. And last but not the least, for reproduction, especially in the unicellular organisms, it is needed for reproduction. One great speciality of the sperms and eggs is that they receive only half the number of chromosomes of their parent cells, that is, one chromosome from each pair. This reduction in chromosome number is very significant. Now students, I know this part is not very clear to you right now. As we will proceed in the chapter, inside the chapter we'll get to know about these things, and about about the number of chromosomes, and it will be clear to you. Right now, types of cell division. There are mainly two types: mitosis and meiosis. Cell division leading to growth and development, that is mitosis. This occurs in the somatic cells. What is somatic cells? The vegetative cells, the body cells. And meiosis, the cell division leading to the production of gametes. Gametes means the sex cells, or the cells which are there in the reproductive organs. Clear? Now, first we'll come to mitosis. Mitosis is the cell division in which two identical daughter cells are produced by the division of one parent cell. So, first thing which you have to remember about this cell division is that in this, two identical daughter cells are produced, and it is being produced from a single parent cell. The most important characteristic is the same normal chromosome number is maintained at each cell division. That means, for example, if the parental chromosome number was 2, then the two identical daughter cells will also carry two chromosomes in each of the cells, in each of the identical cells, right? So that is the thing which you have to remember, that um, chromosome number is a very important factor in the cell division, and in this mitosis, same number of chromosome number we can find in the future daughter cells, correct? Now, just before the division of the cell, it prepares for this change and has doubled the quantity of DNA. This is the interphase, apparently the resting phase, since no change in chromosomes is visible externally, but actually it is quite active in synthesizing the DNA. So, interphase is that part of the cell cycle that is the resting phase. Now, what do we mean by resting phase? When the cell is preparing itself to undergo mitosis, right? So, that is the interphase. Interphase means the phase which is actually in between the two consecutive mitosis. Clear? Now, mitosis can be divided into various phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now students, these phases you have to learn sequentially, because we cannot write after prophase telophase, then we cannot write anaphase, then we cannot write metaphase, like that. We cannot write in a jumbled way. We have to write it sequentially, because the phases are coming one after the other according to their characteristics. Now, first one is the prophase. Now, prophase, we'll come to the diagram. First, let me explain. The first point is the chromosomes have become short and thick and are clearly visible inside the nucleus. Each chromosome has already duplicated to form two chromatids.